Here we are just down the street from the house, blazing the trail.
What do you want to do?
My thighs are burning already. Okay. Oh, high stepping. Go to the mountains, they said. It'll be fun, they said. So we made it down to Burnt Mill. These power lines go right into these heavily laden trees here. And it's already kind of like tugging. You could see it coming off the pole. It's tugging on this stuff. Damn, it's hard to believe this is the highway. One lane. Hiking up the highway, which is now one lane. Uh-oh.
You'd have to pull it over and put some chains on that.
Yep.